Afternoon all, we're in Sutton in Surrey today working on this lovely 2007 Aston Martin Vantage V8, 380 brake horsepower as standard. Customers called us out today to do a 3-stage engine carbon clean and a remap, stage 1 remap on these. Now, you don't get huge increased performance on these, it's about 18 horsepower and 22 newton meters of torque, but the improved drivability, by that we mean how well the engine runs, how well it picks up, the throttle response, etc., is dramatically changed. So still a great benefit, especially on a big vehicle like this. It's an absolutely lovely model. Show you the interior, very clean and tidy this car. Don't know the mileage on it actually, go around and have a look. It's just going through its engine carbon clean at the moment, and then we'll load the file back on. So yeah, mileage wise, 76,000 from new, so very nice. There's the performance gains on our website. So yeah, it won't be a dramatic increase massively, but certainly the way that it drives will be. Just blip the exhaust for you. There's one thing about an Aston Martin, they do sound gorgeous. So yeah, cost of this service, including us coming out to you, supplying the engine carbon clean. We always do a good diagnosis and go over the engine before, make sure it's in good health. The carbon clean and the remap, £339.99. Putting you on the spot, how was that?
It's good.
Yeah?
Good. A lot better from the get-go.
Fantastic.
Where it lacked a little bit really, so apart from the story about your mad dog. Yeah, a lot better from the get-go. Yeah, even spun the wheels up with the traction control off, which never used to do. So,
Fantastic. So you're happy, yeah?
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
For all your engine carbon cleaning, DPF cleaning, remapping and auto watch ghost installation requirements. We're the convenient mobile service across the UK, including Scotland and Northern Ireland. Fully insured, checker trade and trading standards approved. Use our technician locator to find your local technician and give them a call, or book them online at carbon-cleaning.co.uk. We look forward to revitalising your engine. See you soon.